Passwords are annoying. We forget them, we reuse them, and worst of all, hackers love stealing them. Enter Passkeys, a fancy new way to log in without dealing with passwords at all. But like any new tech, passkeys come with a load of myths and misunderstandings. Let's clear things up and make sure you're in the know. Myth number 1. Lose your phone, lose your passkey forever. Sounds scary, right? But don't worry, this isn't true. Passkeys sync across your devices. If you use Apple's Passwords app, just log in to another Apple device and poof, your keys are back. Use a password manager like Dashlane. Same deal. Just sign in on another device and you're good to go. No need to panic if your phone takes an unexpected dive into the toilet. Myth number 2. Only Apple and Google sync passkeys. Nope. While Apple and Google were first to roll this out, others are joining in. Dashlane and other password manager also sync passkeys. Microsoft is adding passkey syncing to Windows 11. Google is working on making passkeys available on Mac and Windows. In short, passkeys are going everywhere. Myth number 3. Passkeys send your fingerprint over the internet. Yikes! That would be bad, but it doesn't happen. When you unlock a passkey using Face ID or fingerprint, your phone just checks that it's really you. The website never sees your fingerprint, just a thumbs up saying, "Yup, they're legit." Your biometric data stays locked inside your device, safe and sound. Myth number 4. You can change a password, but not a passkey. Not true. While passwords need to be changed often, because let's face it, people use weak ones, passkeys don't need to be changed unless you want to. And if you do want to, just delete the old passkey from the site and create a new one. Easy, done, no stress. Myth number 5. PIN codes are less secure than passwords. Sure, a 6-digit PIN sounds weaker than a long, complex password. But here's the catch. A PIN only works on your specific device. A hacker can't just type it in anywhere. Too many wrong guesses, the device locks down. Passwords don't have that protection. If a hacker steals your password, they can use it freely. So yes, PINs can actually be safer than passwords in many cases. Myth number 6. Password managers are better than passkeys. Look, password managers are great. They help you store complex passwords so you don't have to remember them. But here's the problem. Passwords can be stolen via phishing scams. If a hacker tricks you into entering your password on a fake site, you're toast. Passkeys can't be phished. They simply don't work on fake sites. And guess what? Most password managers now support passkeys too. So why not use both? Myth number 7. Passkeys lock you into one platform. At first, this was true. Passkeys were stuck in one ecosystem, Apple, Google, etc., but not anymore. Thanks to the FIDO Alliance, a new industry standard is coming that lets you export passkeys. Soon you'll be able to move your passkeys between services, just like you move your passwords today. No more being stuck in one system forever. So are passkeys the future? Absolutely. They're safer, easier, and phishing-proof. No more struggling with forgotten passwords or falling for scams. Still not convinced? Think about it this way. No more forgot password. No more resetting passwords every 3 months. No more worrying about password leaks. It's time to ditch passwords for good. Stay safe, stay secure by switching to Passkeys. Express your thoughts in the comments below. My thanks to Dashlane's blog post for the ideas expressed in this video. You can read their post at the link listed. If you're interested in trying Dashlane, please use the following referral link. I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye, and thanks for reading, watching, and listening.